either right-handed or left-handed, dextral or sinestral. I won't touch any of that necessarily. But I also want to point out that some gastropods, like this Spanish dancer nudibranch, don't actually have shells, right? So this is a relative to the snails, doesn't have an external shell, and actually swims through the water column. But the business end of these guys, how they eat, is right here. So this is the head of a snail, so this is from the underside, so the snail is attached to a piece of glass. Taking a picture of the front end of the snail from under a piece of glass. And this is the radula, right? So this is the snail mouth part. So that's how it actually eats. So, and if you take a close-up electron micrograph of these radula, you're going to see these big rows of different shaped teeth. And these teeth are shaped really differently depending on what these different snails eat. Right? So here's a snail, a gastropod with really sharp piercing teeth. So it's going to pierce its prey. It could be algae, it could be salt invertebrates, and suck out its juices. These more blunt scraping teeth are going to be from some gastropod that crawls around on a rock and scrapes off seaweeds or benthic diatoms. And then these really gnarly looking teeth here are from an oyster drill. And an oyster drill is a snail that, well, it drills oysters and other bivalves, right? So all these holes here, you know, somebody didn't make those so they could put these on a chain and hang around their neck. Those are actually holes made by oyster drill gastropods. So this snail crawls up to a mollusk or to a bivalve and starts drilling this hole and secreting